Honey, this wig is tied. I'm gonna have to figure out how the girls do it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. We are making vegan steak. I don't want to waste any more time. Let's get started. Okay, let's start making our steaks. First, you're going to need 1/2 cup of mashed up northern beans. You can also use chickpeas if you like. 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast. 1 1/4 cup vital wheat gluten. Now, if you have no idea what this is, guys, all it is flour. They took the protein out of the flour and created Seitan, aka vital wheat gluten. So it's 70 to 80% protein. It's right here on the package. It's good for you unless you are gluten intolerant, then you can't.
You can't make this recipe. I'm so sorry. Don't click off though. Just watch for me. I appreciate you. I'm sorry. You can't eat none though.
You're also going to need some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some salt, and some pepper. Now let's add in our vegetable broth. And with your clean hands, let's get to work.
That's just flour, y'all know.
This is going to give you 4 steaks. You're going to be kneading your seitan for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So put on a good show, and I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of veggie stock just to get that leftover vital wheat gluten on the side of the bowl. Alright guys, I have been kneading for about 10 minutes and here is what it looks like. We are ready to go ahead and make some steaks out of this bad boy. I know it does not look appealing right now, but we not done, so. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this into 4s. Now taking your fancy rolling pin.
Y'all never cashed at me, so don't judge me. You can always cash at. Okay, there's no excuse not to have a rolling pin.
You're gonna roll these bad boys out. I look at several different methods of preparing the seitan, so I'm gonna show you guys the top 2 that I enjoy. With 2 of the steaks, I am going to steam them for 1 hour. I do not personally have a steamer, but if you are like me, you can use a double boiler. And all that is you put a pot of water, put another pot in there, and then close the lid. Place in 2 of our steaks, and then we're gonna cover. Steamer. For our second method of the steaks, we are going to put them directly into the seasoning, touching the water, touching the vegetable stock while it absorbs all the flavor. And it's 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1/4 of a purple onion, 4 crushed cloves of garlic. Add in some steak seasoning. And 2 bay leaves. Now add in your 2 steaks and we will see these in 1 hour. I'm gonna add in 2 more cups of veggie broth just to make sure they're covered completely. My stove is on low heat. Goodbye. So we have our seitan that is steaming and one that is simmering. Alright guys, it has been 1 hour, so now we're going to take out our steaks. Let's start off by making a marinade for our steamed seitan. 6 tablespoons liquid aminos or soy sauce, 1 tablespoon agave, 1/2 tablespoon liquid smoke, onion powder, paprika, garlic, and pepper. We're going to put our seitan in a baggie along with the marinade and let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes on this side and then 15 minutes on this side. Our other 2 seitan steaks are already simmering in flavor, so they are actually ready to go and to be put on the grill. Stove is on medium, adding some olive oil to the pan. Gonna place our steaks right on the pan. For color, I am gonna add a little bit of coconut aminos and liquid smoke for flavoring. These have been cooking for about 5 minutes. I've just been constantly flipping. I'm going to taste the piece to see if I like where they are right now. Need some salt. All right, guys, I've already plated our first batch of seitan steaks. I just paired it with some kale and some red potatoes. All right, so let's get to our second set of steaks that we marinated. All right, let me try this one. Make sure we like the flavor. Okay, I'm gonna take that one off though. It is super done. Hi guys, it's voiceover Erin here. I forgot to turn on my mic for this segment because I was rushing. My battery was dying. Anyway, this is me introducing my carnivore friend. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here on the screen. There you go. Yay! He's telling some little joke about nobody follows me on Instagram. Oh yeah, he's so funny. Yeah. All right, now we're getting ready to taste. I have the one that was steamed and then marinated, and he has the one that was simmering in the flavor. This is us realizing that we need to put it on a hard surface to cut. All right, here he is with his very analytical description of the steak. He said it tastes like an alternative. That's why I did my little giggle. I had never heard of an alternative before. So basically what he was saying was, I can tell it's not steak, but it's good. I would eat it. So I was pleased with that, guys. My goal for vegan food is just to make it good. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to exactly copy off an animal because it's not, but it has to be good flavor. All right, here we are switching. Now I'm having the one that was simmered and he's having the one that was steamed. He's dissecting. Oh my gosh, people are so extra with vegan food with the chewing. It's like, to the left, to the left, to the right, But with regular food, it's just like, good, bad. Anyway, he liked the first one better. I was shocked because I preferred the one that was simmered and he preferred the one that was marinated. My friend tried it off camera and she agreed with him. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time.